Pasensya na sa kamay ko kasi po na ink po ng ano yan, ballpen. Gumawa po ako ng module para sa anak ko.
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog, we will take a quick video before we start using this fertilizer. Yes guys, gagamit na po kami ng fertilizer ngayon just for those plants na medyo payat pa kasi hindi naman po lahat ng plants namin dito matataba, so we really need an aid para mapataba namin sila. And if you are interested, just keep watching. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell icon beside it so you'll be notified pag may bago kaming video. And if you are ready, let's begin! I know for sure that a lot of you are quite familiar with this type of fertilizer. Sobrang common ito guys. And it has been circulating in the market years ago pa. As in, nung time pa na bata pa ako, kasi we have been using this for our crops. Yes, nagtatanim po kami ng ube and of course, yung mga mais dati. So, ito yung type ng fertilizer na ginagamit namin. And if you have the same kind of fertilizer in mind, yes, you are right. Ito yung 14-14-14 or yung complete fertilizer. If you have been with us for quite some time, I'm sure napanood niyo yung video when we went to Carmen, Bohol, guys, to have a garden tour dun sa garden ni Sir Rodline. In fact, this syngonium came from him and meron ding isa pang philodendron na nandun. And we were really asking bakit sobrang taba ng plants niya. And then for just a short period of time, sobrang tataba ng mga halaman niya guys. According to him, he is just using this type of fertilizer. Meron ding nakapagturo sa kanila. That's why shinare din niya sa amin kung ano yung ginagawa nila for this. So we will be using this for our plants guys. It has been a long overdue plan. Sobrang tagal na namin na plano na gawin to para tumaba din yung ibang plants namin. Kung nakita nyo lang talaga sa personal yung mga bilite nila na 7 months old lang pero sobrang giant na, I'm sure you will be convinced to use the same fertilizer. Anyway guys, this 14-14-14 is composed of 14% nitrogen, 14% of phosphate or yung phosphorus, tapos meron din siyang 14% of potassium. There are really super simple steps in how to use this, and that's what we are going to show you today. So sobrang dali lang guys, and sobrang mura lang nito. In fact, this is just 30 pesos per kilo. I do not know if meron ba siyang brand. Basta nagtanong lang kami about that 14-14-14 na fertilizer. So, eto na yung pinakita nila sa amin and sobrang mura lang guys. So, hindi ka talaga mamumroblema sa budget if you decide to use this because there are a lot of commercialized fertilizer. Yung mga synthetic fertilizers guys na nakikita natin online which are really expensive. Pero nakita ko talaga yung resulta personally dun kina Sir Rodline. So, do not worry guys, I will be inserting some clips here so you'll be able to see. This Philodendron Pink Princess is such a perfect example guys. So, ginamitan lang nila yan ng 14-14-14 and look at how big the leaves are. The variegations are really nice. Yung gamit lang talaga nila na fertilizer, yun lang. Tapos, given the ideal condition na hindi nila laging dinidiligan and of course, nakalagay sa shaded area. So, talagang super ganda ng effect. And of course guys, dun sa Carmen kasi medyo malamig yung lugar nila. They have a lot of trees and merong mga sapa. So, sobrang ideal ng lugar para sa kanilang mga philodendrons kasi para siyang tropical rainforest lang talaga. And madaming kahoy yun talaga yung super love nila. I have seen a lot of pink princesses, pero dun ko nakita sa kanila yung mga malalaki guys. Merong mga splash variegation, and there are even variegations na nag-half muna. Yung mga pink princess nila, there are more than 30 pots. In fact, parang 46 pots all in all daw yung pink princess nila guys. And they have a lot of colored philodendrons. Those philodendrons that we are aiming to collect and are quite pricey in the market. So we will start and we'll give you a quick demonstration on how to use it. And of course, what are the type of nutrients that your plants can get from this type of fertilizer. We already have this. Gumamit lang kami nito guys, which is something that is of the same size dun sa mga canned goods. So ito yung ginagamit namin na pang-measure kung gaano kadami yung gagamitin naming fertilizer na siya dito sa mga plants namin dito sa garden. And of course, we have this one which is the Coca-Cola bottle, pero 1 liter lang siya guys. But you can also use 1.5 as long as it will reach 16 liters guys. Yun yung ratio ng gagamitin naming fertilizer dito. And meron kaming pail dyan. So, meron kasing dalawang ways on how to use this fertilizer. So, yung gagamitin natin is yung way na i-dissolve muna siya sa water. So, let's start. Pupunuin lang natin yan and then we have to dissolve it here dito sa water na na-prepare namin. Yung 14% na nitrogen guys is responsible for the leaves. Kung gusto nyo natural na makuha yon, you can get it from organic fertilizer, yung mga animal manure, and then makikita din sila sa mga healthy soil. So, sila yung tumutulong sa plants, magbibigay ng energy for them to grow. Sa crops naman, responsible din sila pareho sa leaves, pero they can also help in producing fruits or yung vegetables, guys. Yung nitrogen, guys, doon talaga makukuha sa chlorophyll. And since hindi madaming green yung mga variegated plants, this can help kasi nga mapoprovide niya yung lacking na nutrients ng plant. Proven guys, ito talaga yung ginagamit ni Sir Rodline even dun sa mga variegated plants niya. And superb pa din yung resulta. So hindi tayo gagamit ng pang steer sa kanya kasi we will leave it overnight guys. Pero babalikan natin siya mamayang gabi to see kung ano na yung itsura niya. So ngayon, wanag pa guys, babalikan natin siya mamaya. Yung phosphate naman guys, or phosphorus, pwede nyo din siyang makuha dun sa mga human urine. Do you remember dun sa mga matatanda, they are using human urine kapag nagdidilag ng mga flowering plants kasi nakakatulong siya para mamulaklak yung mga plants. Responsible ang phosphorus sa energy transfer, photosynthesis, and also in transforming sugar and starches. Yung mga plants na hindi pa ready mag-mature para magkaroon ng bunga, mahinog, yung mga ganon. Of course, that's from Google. Yung potassium naman guys, strengthen the plant's ability to resist disease. So, sino ba naman gustong magkasakit yung plants? So, of course, we need potassium and it protects the root system, lalo na yung mga ganitong panahon guys na lagi nang umuulan. So, it strengthens the root system when the weather is cold or dry and tinutulungan nila para hindi mag-wilt yung plant. For the crops naman, it is also used para lumaki yung mga bunga and of course, mas maging matamis. Especially if we are talking about fruit-bearing trees, sobrang laki ng tulong ng potassium guys. Actually, merong fertilizer na puro potassium lang talaga. Ito kasi ginagamit natin is the complete fertilizer. So, this is really perfect for the plant na paggagamitan natin. Time check, it's 4:49 PM and babalikan natin siya mamaya para makita natin kung nag-dissolve na ba siya. We will let it set overnight and then we'll just use it tomorrow. If you have rainwater guys, nothing beats it. Time check, it's 9:15 PM. Nasa loob po kami ng bahay but we will go out to check if na-dissolve na ba yung binabad natin kanina. Siguradong walang particles na maiiwan bago natin i-water. Sobrang dilim naman dito. May light naman sana. Pero hanggang dyan lang eh. Medyo nagtitipid tayo sa kuryente so hindi ganang malakas yung gamit naming bulb dito. So and we have to open this. Hala, nanaday na. First time namin siyang itry and it doesn't matter kasi kita naman namin yung resulta kina Sir Rodline. So guys, remember not to over-fertilize your plants. Kasi basta makakapag sobra, alam naman natin anything in excess is bad. Mas mabuti ng under-fertilized kaysa over-fertilized. So guys, this is the smallest bottle na available, yung mga soft drinks na naka-plastic guys. Ito yung gagamitin namin para malaman natin kung gaano kadami yung ilalagay natin sa plant. So, tansya-tansya na lang, depende sa kung anong size ng plant mo. Well, bukas malalaman natin, depende naman sa kung gaano kalaki yung plant. Lalagyan lang namin ng maliliit na butas dyan sa cap niya. Yung mga ganito kasi yung ginagamit namin na pandilig para hindi ganun kadami yung malagay namin sa leaves every time nagme-mist kami. So, yung mga 1.5 bottles. Pero, ngayon na magme-measure lang tayo ng fertilizer, etong mas maliit na bottle yung gagamitin. Tapos yan, lalagyan ng madaming butas gamit ang pin.
Tomorrow, day 2.
So guys, time check po, 3:30 po ng hapon. Tingnan na po natin yung resulta ng fertilizer na hinalo natin dito sa tubig. Tingnan natin kung na-dissolve na ba lahat. Guys, yung ginawa po natin kagabi na nagbutas tayo ng takip ng coke na maliit, ito po yon. So, ito yung gagamitin natin para sa pagdidilig natin ng mga halaman nito.
So yun guys, twice a month lang po siya gagawin. So today is the 15th of September and we will repeat doing this sa katapusan na. And I do hope that you like this video. If you like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button beside it para ma-notify kayo pag may bago kaming upload. Thank you so much! Bye!